What's going on, everybody? It's Wavetech with Wavetechhbeatz, here to bring you another tutorial. And this one, I hope you truly like. This one is how do we make, or how can you make those trap 808s to get you that hard-hitting sound with a Logic Pro X stock VST. Alright, stay tuned. So, before we get started, we need to do some laundry, as I call it. We need to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and click the bell so you can know when these videos is coming. Alright? Excuse me. So, in order for us to make those stock VSTs, turn them into an 808, we're going to use the ES2 synthesizer. Alright, so I already got that brought up. This is the ES2. We'll make it bigger a little bit. Take it to 175. Alright. Alright, just so you can see. Okay, this is the ES2. Okay, so in order for us to take and do that, we're gonna try to get through this as quickly as possible. Okay, and I hope you can catch on, follow me, and we'll get this cracking. Okay, so please bear with me. I want to make sure that I hit you with it and make sure that you got it done properly. All right, so first thing is you want to open up the ES2, and as you can see, it's right here. Then you want to go to tutorial settings, come over to analog saw INT, click on that. So this is what it's gonna sound like. But we're gonna change that, okay? So we're gonna click on this to make it a sine. It's a beautiful sine sound. No, I'm just playing. All right. So turn it into a sine sound. So we're gonna transpose this. Once we transpose this, we take it down to 24. That's how it sounds. After we transpose it, we're gonna go down to this particular area right here where it says cut off 2. We want to make sure this is off, and it says envelope 2. Then we're gonna go to pitch 1, 2, 3. We're gonna switch this to envelope 1. Alright, so we changed the source to envelope 1. Make sure we turned this off, and we brought the slide, this particular slide, all the way up. Now here's what we sounded like. Alright, so with that sounding like a kick and an 808 together, we need to come over here, turn this up to about right around in here. I will bring it down some more. I'm bringing it down a little more for you. No, I want the whole thing down. Yeah, we'll put it about right. Yeah, but we want to bring it back up Alright, so this is the attack right here. So, like I said, I'll bring this down a little more. We'll put it about right there. I like 72. Okay. Then we're gonna come over to the release. I'm gonna bring it up. We'll keep it about right there. That's what the release sounds like long. And then if I bring it down, bring it down some more. But I like it right here. Now we need to go to envelope one. I'm gonna pull this down to about 41. Yeah. So once I get it to sounding like that, I'm gonna come up here because I don't want all the voices to be out. So I'm gonna put it on mono. I'm gonna bring it down. And see, that's how it sounds when I hit just one key. So I'm gonna bring my release down a little more. So I like it. I like it over here on the soft distortions because I'm just gonna add the effect to that. I'm not gonna put no chorus flange and nothing like it on there. I'm gonna take it off. But I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. We go 4.6. Now I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So in order to give you that drive,